How to enable always on display on any iPhone. So hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable always on display on your iPhone. Doesn't matter if you are using iPhone 12, 13, 14. So in this case I'm using iPhone 12. So first thing first, simply head over to your settings application option, and once you're inside here you can see the focus option. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you just need to click on the do not disturb option over here, and once you come under it, when you're inside it, simply click on people and just make sure you have deleted or removed every single people from here, and simply click on silence notification from option, and simply come back and simply click on application. Do the same for the application as well, and again come back and click on the option icon, and simply click enable this option called show on lock screen, and disable the option called hide notification badges. And for the silence notification, simply click on while locked so that it will be continue even if it's locked, and simply click on dim lock screen option, and that should do it. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.